Today is Friday, May the 14th, 2021. Happy Friday to all of you who are watching this video, and welcome back to another weather video. Today, we are going to be talking about the upcoming severe weather threat that's going to be happening next week, and we're going to be talking about a tropical threat that is going to be happening next week as well. So, next week is going to be really, really busy. So, get your suitcases and sorry, get your stuff and just sit back and just enjoy all this weather that's coming up. We got severe weather still kicking in, and we got tropical activity because it is getting closer to tropical to the Atlantic hurricane season. Tomorrow is the first day of the Eastern Pacific hurricane season. It's tomorrow, May the 15th. June the 1st is, of course, the Atlantic hurricane season, and I will be making a video about the 2021 hurricane season probably on Sunday. If not, it'll be on Tuesday, Thursday, because, I do videos I take a break, and then I do a video the next day. So anyway, as we move into tomorrow, it's going to be a very quiet day for the Southeast, except for some showers and maybe some stormy weather into Mississippi, Missouri, Kansas, into Oklahoma, back into Iowa and Illinois. As we move into Sunday, now this is where much of the severe weather starts to form. This area right here, Texas and Oklahoma. This is the area we need to watch out for severe weather. As we move into Monday, maybe some stormy weather into Oklahoma, into southern Arkansas. As we move into Tuesday, maybe a couple of these little supercells right here, or these clusters of storms. Of course, the GFS doesn't show us the individual supercells, but some of these can be storms. But look at Wednesday, especially Wednesday morning. Look at how bad it's going to be into Oklahoma and Texas. We're talking about some very strong to severe storms possibly into Wednesday morning. So it's going to be still in Texas on Wednesday afternoon. So it's going to be a stormy day if you live in Texas and Oklahoma. Then as we move into Thursday, it's going to be very, very rainy across the eastern U.S., up in the Northeast to the Midwest, down into Louisiana and Texas and the Gulf Coast. But as we get into Friday, I'm going to pull this down. As we get into this area, you can see this little swirl right here. This will potentially maybe be our first tropical depression / storm for the Atlantic hurricane season this year. And this is on Saturday. So as we move into Saturday, potentially this will form into maybe a tropical storm, our first tropical storm of the season. Of course, the past 4 years, I will explain this in the hurricane season video, but over the past 4 years, the Atlantic hurricane season has been very active. We've had at least one storm before June the 1st from the past 4 years. So it's been very active. This might be another record breaker because we might have another storm before June 1st. This is on Saturday, May the 22nd. So we might have another storm. As we move into Sunday, it makes landfall potentially into 6 o'clock on Sunday. This is Sunday, May the 23rd. So this is 2 Sundays from now that this happens. And then as we move into later on to Sunday, it moves into Louisiana. And this might bring a lot of heavy rain in Louisiana. But then when we get to Monday, it'll dissipate. So I don't think this is going to be a big issue, but we got to keep our eyes posted on this. This might develop down near the Florida Keys. So the Florida Keys might get impacted first. And then it might develop into a tropical depression, maybe even a tropical storm. And we have to see what goes on with this little thing right here. Let me show you how big it is since it's not on the southeast. There we go. We have to know about this. Right now, I think the hurricane season has had this is a low. This has uh a low percentage of developing into a tropical depression, but that's so far out. We still have at least 2 Sundays left to notice that this tropical storm, potentially tropical depression, it might be a tropical storm once it makes landfall into Louisiana, but we got to know what this is. And this might bring some moisture into Georgia, in the Carolinas. So just because it's in Louisiana, all that moisture from the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico might be in the southeast. So not just Louisiana is going to get impacted with a lot of heavy rain, some maybe some winds, and some storm surge. But anyway, I will explain that in the hurricane video because I love hurricanes. They're my favorite types of weather, and I just love hurricanes. I can feel great talking about hurricanes. Like, I don't feel like I'm doing the wrong information or misinformation because I love hurricanes. I really do love hurricanes. They're one of my favorite weather types. But anyway, thanks for watching this video. We got to keep our eyes on this little depression or storm that may develop into the following weekend, not this upcoming weekend, the following weekend. So we got to keep our eyes posted on that. Thanks for watching this video again, and I will see you tomorrow. Not tomorrow. I'll see you on Sunday, May the 16th, 2021. Have a good evening.